Hi all, welcome back. So today is 2nd October 2022, Sunday. So in this video, let's try to analyze the Nifty and Bank Nifty charts. Okay, and last trading session was uh, on 30th September, Friday. So 30th September, Friday, last Friday is a week closing and also the September month closing candle. So now from next tomorrow onwards, we will be moving to the October month trading session. So let's try to see or predict what can be happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty price actions. Okay, so let me directly go to Nifty chart once. So this is the Nifty index chart, daily time frame chart. So here, let us try to move or go to monthly time frame because since month is closed on the last Friday and week also closed. So let's go to monthly time frame so that we can see how it has happened on the September month. So if you see here, uh, this is the level which it took support and it went up to 17,900 level. And then in the September month, the opening itself is very down to the compared to the closing of August month. It opened down, but okay, they managed to go up in this month. I mean, though there is a gap down opening on September month, they did not go down. They did not go down, and there is no spike also visible in the candle, major spike at the bottom. So that means a good sign for the buyers still. Okay, so but okay, in this time frame, okay, in this monthly time frame, what we can tell that the price is trading in this range only. Okay, it is very clearly visible that the price is trading in this zone. Okay, so the Nifty went up to 17,950 level, and October month they tried to go up, they failed, and November month they tried again, they failed, and again on January 2022 also they tried. So it is getting rejection in this level, it is getting support at this level. So Nifty is trading in this zone at the moment or in the range only. So when any price action which is moving in the range, we cannot predict anything in that zone because anything can happen, because it may come down, it may go up again. So as long as the price or the Nifty is in this zone, so it can do or it can go anywhere. Okay, it's not trending actually, it is trading in the range. So it can happen anywhere, it can go up or down in this zone because uh, it is continuously getting rejection and it is continuously getting support in this zone. So in monthly time frame, it is very clear that the Nifty is in the range, and at the moment we cannot predict anything in the monthly time frame. Okay, and coming to the September month candle also, it is okay, somewhat bullish. I mean, no spike below and no spike above. That means opening and closing is comparatively showing that the buyers are there in Nifty, but not strong because the candles range, I mean, the month range is very small. If you see, it just traded in the range of 16,750 to 17,120. So roughly 700 points range. So very small range it's traded, but okay. In that range, the buyers are looking good in the month September month candle. But overall, the price action is saying that it is trading in a range. So we cannot predict anything in this price action. Let me go to daily time frame or weekly also, so that you can see if anything can be observed here. Okay, here in weekly, we have drawn this level, right? This level from the monthly time frame, and if you see, it got rejected many times in that. Okay, The Nifty got rejected here, and immediately uh, last week of September, there was a huge gap down, but luckily they did not go beyond that gap down opening. This mean that last week buyers managed to go up, or they might be trying to fill this gap, whatever the gap is there, right? This gap, there it is looking like they are trying to fill that gap. So in weekly time frame, what we are seeing is almost same as monthly only, not major difference. But what we can tell here is the actual, buyers. The buyers tried their activity in the last week of September, right? That is what we can observe in the weekly time frame. In the last week only, though there is a gap down, complete gap down opening, then at that point buyers entered and they managed to go up. So at this moment, it is looking like they're trying to fill this gap. Okay. So from mid of the September, from second week of September, third week of September, there was a heavy selling pressure. We can see purely red candles and spikes above the body of the candle. So purely mid of September was completely selling pressure, but on last week of September also there was a huge gap down opening. But okay, in the week duration, the buyers managed to uh, give support in that opening only, and they did not go beyond. Go down below that level. So okay, in weekly time frame, what we can say, the buyers are trying to fill that gap. That is what we are observing in weekly time frame. Okay, so let me go to daily time frame once and see what can we see there. Okay, so if this is the daily time frame, okay, this is daily time frame, and here we are seeing one pattern, that's which is M pattern. Okay, sometimes some people may call it as a double bottom or double top pattern. Okay, so this is somewhat M pattern here, and after making that M pattern, there was 1, 2, 3, 4 selling sessions, right? Continuously, there was a heavy selling from last almost 4 days of selling, and after last day of the month or last Friday, there was a buying activity. So M breakout, and after heavy selling pressure, buyers entered now in the last Friday, and it was candle is also showing the buyers strength also. If you see the candle range is, if I zoom in the same time frame, you can see on 28th September and on 29th September, whatever the day range is there. Okay, if I show you, so this is the 29th. If I club both days, 29th September and 28th September, so it on 30th September, it was a big range compared to 2 days. So that shows the volume of trading on that 30th say, and also the candle, the price action is saying that strength of the buyers. So both the volume of the trading activity and also the strength of the buying activity is visible in the 30th day, 30th September candle. So as we are seeing in weekly time frame, so monthly we did not get any clue because it is in completely range trading on the weekly basis and the daily basis. So we are seeing that there is a gap available here. Okay, this is the gap. Okay, so there is a chance that they may try to fill this gap. Okay, so we cannot assure by seeing this, because on that 8th September we are seeing completely buying activity happened on that day, but we cannot tell that this gap will be filled immediately on Monday. On coming 3rd October, we cannot tell that immediately it will be filling it up. So they may take some time here, because we are seeing that heavy selling was happening from last few days, and this is the candle, or 30th September is the day where it was completely in buyer's control. So it may or may not happen on 3rd October itself. So they may stay sometime here and then fill that gap, or sometimes based on any news which is favorable to traders or investors, then they immediately fill it. So as long as the Nifty breaks this high, whatever the high on 30th September, okay, if I zoom here, this is 30th September. If Nifty goes beyond this day range high, okay, so then there are more chances of filling this gap immediately. So until that, what we can tell that uh, if it is not going below the day high of 30th September, it may stay some time here. And then based on news or based on interest of investors, it may go and fill that gap. So what we are seeing in the daily time frame is same as weekly also. There is a gap above the small range and they may try to fill that gap. Okay, let me go to lower time frame and see what we can observe there and what we can decide in that. Okay, so here I will remove this one. Okay, fine. So this is the lower time frame. Okay, this is 5 minute time frame now. So in this time frame, what we are seeing here is there is a level here. I will draw or change the color so that you can understand it clearly. So in 5 minute time frame, what we are seeing, this is the level where Nifty got rejected once, twice, and thrice, and last Friday it came up to that point again. So after three rejections on that level, the last Friday also they tried, but they did not able to break it and go up above that. There was some maybe from some kind of profit booking or what we can say at the end of the weekend selling also we can consider it as a normal selling, not a major. But okay, what we can tell that is the level where it got rejected many times, it reached again to the same point. So that means it is a good sign to the buyers. And what we can tell one more point here is, okay, so this is the level, right? Or this is the range. I can say if I want to draw the range also, can generally compare to levels, ranges will be helpful. Okay. So if you see here in the time 5 minute time frame, what we are seeing to reach this level, okay, whatever the level 17,200 roughly, we can consider it as 17,200. To reach this level, Nifty took support here and it took a support again here and it reached to that level. So this level is support to the Nifty, and if it gets support at this zone, then there is a chance for Nifty to go to that point again. So that is what happened on the last Friday, that it broken that level, but immediately maybe due to buying interest on that day, it immediately went to that zone. Okay, so they did not retested this support again. Okay, so today or tomorrow, Monday, 3rd October, what we can tell in the lower time frame. Okay, lower time frame, there are 2 points here. On Monday, what we are expecting is there is a gap, right? There is a gap observed in the weekly and daily time frame here. So if Nifty goes beyond this level, okay, if they want to go beyond this level, okay, this if they want to go beyond this level, and if Nifty goes more above this 30th September day high, then there is a more chances of filling that gap. Okay, so the next resistance for the Nifty is this gap low, and what is that gap? You can let me check there. What is that gap? 17,300 is the gap high. I mean the gap where it started now. So 13,000, so 17,300 is the gap high. So that will can be become as a resistance for the 3rd October. Okay, if they even if there is a gap up opening, or even if the buyers try to go up, so they may uh, take the profits from the after filling that gap. Okay, so what we, if I clear off everything so that you can understand it clearly. Okay, so I will clear everything now. This is the empty chart, empty 5 minute chart. So after coming down from monthly time frame to 5 minute time frame, what we are observing, there is a gap here. Okay, gap which is seen here, and the gap high is 17,300, and also we are seeing that Nifty, when it got this at this level, it got rejected many times, and it reached to that level. That is a good sign for the buyers. And to make the buyers in control or buyers to be stronger, they should get the support or they should break it immediately. So there are 2 points here. Either in the same rally, they should go up immediately to fill this gap. Okay, that is one case. Or if there is any selling or anything, if the Nifty is above and it gets the support on this zone, that is 17,000 level, then there is a more chance of going up. So this is a very key level, that is 17,000 level will be the key level, because the 17,000, when Nifty is above 17,000 only, it tried or it is able to go to 17,200 level. And when it fell down, it went down all the down up to 17,750 level. So as far as Nifty trades above the 17,000 level, then we can say that buyers are in control and there is more chance. If not Monday, or we can expect Tuesday or Wednesday, two buyers come into the activity or come into the action, and they make fill this gap. So either if Monday, if they any if the Nifty goes beyond this 30th day high, then there is a chance of filling it immediately. Or if they want to spend some time in this zone, because if you see 30th September, they immediately went to all the way up to 17,200. They did not tested this 17,000 level very strongly. So what can we can say, if it Monday, if it comes down and if it takes support at 17,000 level, then what we can as a price action, what we can say as a price action, we can see something like this: high, higher low, and higher high. As a market structure, what we can tell, a higher high is already there, and we are waiting for the higher low now. So higher low, if they get support at 17,000 level, then that makes the higher low, and any buying there, then it may be very favorable to the buyers and make the higher high and also fill that gap. So as per the market structure, if Nifty takes the support at 17,000 level, then it will be a purely an uptrend, starting of uptrend. And also as the price action, in the previous price action also, it is saying that as far as the Nifty is above 17,000 level, then the buyers can be in control and they can try to go up anytime in the week. So overall, what is the key level series? 17,000 is a very key level, or it is a very strong support for the Nifty at the moment. You can support is 17,000 level will be the key support level now. If it breaks, then it may be a good, very and it will be a problem to the buyers again, and they can be a selling pressure again starts from there. Okay, so that's the reason 17,000 will be the key support level now. And still, what we can see that the level where it got rejected on 26th September and 27th September, on yesterday, I mean last trading session also, it got rejected actually, but not the selling. I mean, there is only a profit booking kind of selling only. It is not the reversal. So uh, still this 17,200 level will still be a resistance only, but it may not be major until unless buyers are strong. So support, this is the key support for us, 17,000. If it goes below that, then there is again a chance of going Nifty all the way down to 17,700 level. So if I add the resistances now, okay, so one resistance level will be resistance one will be this 17,200 level. Okay, 200, and if it goes beyond that, and if it takes support on 17,200 level, and if it wants to go up, then the next resistance level will be the gap high of that is around 17,300. So this is the resistance to resistance levels we have drawn now, and the support is at the 17,000. So this is what the observations we are doing. So let us see what will happen on next trading session, that is on 3rd October. Okay, so key levels here, there are three key levels: resistance 1, resistance 2, and support. That's 17,000 support. So yeah, wait and see what will be happening on Monday. Let us go to the bank Nifty once, so that we can try to analyze this bank Nifty also. So bank Nifty chart. So I will clear everything for you, so that let's come from top to bottom, from monthly time frame to 5-minute time frame. So let me go to monthly time frame immediately. So this is the monthly chart of bank Nifty, and you can see mean uh, simply can say this is also trading in the range. Okay, it is taking support here, and it got rejected, or you can say it got rejected at this point. This is all-time high level, right? So okay, from last 1 2 3, from last 3 months, if we are seeing that bank Nifty went up from almost 32,900 to 42,000 level roughly. So only the September last week only, last 2 weeks only, we are seeing the selling. So apart from that, almost 2.5 months, there was a continued rally in the bank Nifty, and they almost tested that all-time high. And in this price action, what we can tell that they went up immediately to all-time high, and there was a profit booking kind of thing is visible here. And the candle is also showing very, if I zoom here, the candle is also almost like a shooting star, because there was a huge spike above the body of the candle. So that says the selling pressure of in the bank Nifty. How much selling pressure is there in the bank Nifty? We can assume by seeing the spike in the above the body candle, right? So okay, so now again, here what, as I mentioned in the Nifty chart, when the price of bank Nifty is trading in the range, we cannot tell anything. So again, in the monthly time frame, we are seeing that it is getting rejected here, and it went down, but don't know will it continue to go down or it will try to go up again. We cannot tell in this time frame. So let us go to weekly time frame once and see what is happening. Okay, so in weekly also, last week again, same as Nifty, there was a huge gap down opening, but okay, the complete week trading activity was in bias control only, because after opening gap down here, it did not go beyond that level. So immediately buyers entered, and they managed to be above that gap down level only. So that is showing some sort of buying activity, but not a strength. There is no much strength in that buying. So again, as we are seeing in the Nifty, we are seeing in the gap in the bank Nifty also, there is a gap, right? So if the buyers want to continue to go up, they may feel that gap again. So let us go to daily time frame once and see. Okay, so why there is a gap? Let me go to weekly time frame once. So okay, we are seeing a clear gap here in the weekly time frame, but when I go to daily time frame, okay, so this is the gap. Okay, this is the gap. Okay, let us see what can happen here. So in daily time frame also, we are seeing after heavy selling pressure from last few days, this is the only trading session on 30th September. The buyers showed their interest, and they moved the bank Nifty up, and the range also very huge. So pattern is same as Nifty also. Let me go to 5-minute time frame immediately, so that we can see the key levels for the Monday and Wednesday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, so if I go to lower time frame here, So this is the level where it got rejected on 26th September and 27th September. It got a resistance in that point, that is around 39,000 level. Okay, roughly 39,000 is the level where it got rejected on 2 days, and now we are seeing that price is bank nifty is moving towards the 39,000 level. And what we can say here, as we are pointed out in nifty chart also, here also the same pattern here. So that means, as if bank nifty wants to go to this 39,000 level, it should be at least be in this zone, because as we are seeing in the bank chart here, nifty fell down up to this point, and from this point only it is able to go to the 39,000 level, and it went down again, but again they managed to go up to same 39,000 level. So that means it is saying that until unless bank nifty is above this what is that level, 38,500 level. So until unless the bank nifty is in above 38,500 level, we cannot assume, or we can, there will be more chances to reach that 39,000 level. So as we are saying here, and the price action is also very much favorable to the buyers only, because if you see here very clearly, the bank nifty broken that 38,500 level, and it fell down and it retested again, and the buyers entered from there. So it is showing that very good sign for the buyers, and it is also saying that there are buyers in this level, that is 38,000 level, where there are buyers. So there are more chances, we can see, we can assume that bank nifty will touch this 39,000 level now. And also there is a gap here, so same thing, same pattern from nifty. So there is a gap here. So if bank nifty breaks immediately this 39,000 level, the next level of resistance will be 39,500 roughly. So this is what we are observing. So compared to nifty, bank nifty is already retested its support. So if I go to nifty chart once, so nifty chart, it did not retested this 17,000 level. So Monday or Tuesday they may try to retest it and make a higher low to go up, continue to go up. And then only we can be strong in the upside move. Whereas bank nifty, they tried it immediately. If you see the chart of bank nifty, they retested that 38,500 level, and they showed that buyers are there at that level, and the price bank nifty went up also. So bullishness in the bank nifty is comparatively stronger than the nifty. So what we can tell is same as nifty only. So there are two resistance level for us. One is let me know resistance one is 39,000 only. So it is going closer to 39,000 level, and resistance two is if 39,000 level is broken, then the next resistance level is 39,500. Okay, and the support, key support for bank nifty is this one only, that is 38,500. Okay, 38,500. So until unless bank nifty is above the 38,500 level, there is a more chance for bank nifty to touch the 39,000 level easily. If it falls below that level, then again it may be uh, sellers may be in complete control, and there is a more chance of falling from there again. So if bank nifty wants to uh, go up, or if they want to be take some consolidation, then it should be happening above this 38,000 level only. So they want to take some consolidation zone here, they can take it here. And until unless if they don't fall this level, then it is good sign for the buyers only, or long position takers. So here also these levels we are observed in the bank nifty. Okay, so I hope these levels will be the crucial in both nifty and bank nifty for Monday. And not only Monday, based on the price action on Monday, these levels can be still valid for Tuesday and Wednesday also. So we have to wait and see how these levels will be handled in the during the day sessions. So yeah, this is what we are seeing in Nifty and Bank Nifty charts. I hope this explanation will helpful for your analysis also. So kindly let me know if you need any more detailed explanation, or if you have any doubts in at any point in the chart analysis. Kindly let me know in the charts in comments. I will let you explain in the next coming video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for your time. Bye.